Picture this. Smooth white stone glowing warm in the sun. A fountain splashing and trickling in the middle of a little square. Children running barefoot, tap, 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 across hot cobblestones. Orange trees hanging with tiny golden suns, just dangling there like nature's sweets. Birds singing from flowery balconies that smell like jasmine. Fresh bread floating through narrow streets. You can almost taste it. Where in the world does a place feel this bright and alive? Want to know where this sunny spot is? This brilliant place is called Spain. Right, let's zoom out to space. Way, way, way up high. Past the clouds, past where planes fly. There's Europe below us, that puzzle piece continent. Now look down at the bottom left bit of Europe. See that chunky shape sticking out like it's trying to touch Africa? That's the Iberian Peninsula, and most of it is Spain. The sparkly Mediterranean Sea splashes against the east. Splash, splash. And the massive Atlantic Ocean whooshes against the west. Spain sits right there in southern Europe, soaking up all that sunshine. Right, let's explore 4 different bits of this sunny country. Costa del Sol. Oh my goodness, beaches that go on forever. The Mediterranean water's so clear you can see your toes wiggling underneath. Golden sand gets everywhere, between your toes, in your pockets, everywhere. The waves are gentle here, perfect for jumping over. Up north, the Pyrenees mountains have proper snowy peaks, no joke. Wild ibex, those mountain goats with massive curved horns, leap from rock to rock. Golden eagles glide overhead, barely flapping their wings. Green valleys hide between tall mountains, all misty and magical in the mornings. In La Mancha, the land is completely flat, golden wheat stretching to the horizon. And guess what's there? Proper windmills, white ones with huge arms. They turn slowly in the wind. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. They look like friendly giants waving at the clouds. Now here's something bonkers. The Canary Islands have black sand beaches. Proper black sand from old volcanoes. Not dirty, just naturally black. Can you imagine what that feels like between your toes? Your feet pressing into dark, sparkly grains, while white foam fizzes around them. The different colours look wonderful. White waves on black sand. Each grain glitters in the sun like tiny space diamonds. Would you build a black sandcastle? That would be proper brilliant. Imagine showing that photo to your friends. Oh wait, this is my favourite Spanish secret. Spanish children don't have a tooth fairy. They have a mouse. A tiny tooth mouse called Ratoncito Pérez. Say it. Ratoncito Pérez. He sneaks under pillows at night. Tippy-toe, tippy-toe. Takes your tooth and leaves coins or tiny treats. Can you imagine a brave little mouse dragging teeth in a tiny bag? Some Spanish children even leave cheese out for him. Proper clever, that. Your parents would go, "A mouse? Taking teeth?" But in Spain, it's totally normal. Spain really is such a special place. From sunny squares where fountains splash and children play, to snowy mountains where eagles soar and ibex leap like they're flying, to golden plains with windmill giants watching over wheat fields. to volcanic beaches where black sand sparkles like the night sky. Thank you, Spain, for showing us your sunny squares and sparkly seas, for your windmill giants and your brave little tooth mouse. Hasta luego. That means see you later in Spanish.